In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook Messenger messages. We'll do this on a computer using Messenger.com, and we'll focus on removing a single message from a conversation so you know exactly what each option does and when to use it. Start by opening the conversation that contains the message you want to get rid of. On Messenger.com, your recent chats appear in a list on the left. Click the thread where the message lives so the full conversation opens in the main panel. This works for text messages, photos, voice clips, stickers, and other items that appear as an individual message bubble in the chat. Now hover your mouse over the specific message you want to remove. Hovering simply means placing your cursor over that message without clicking. On desktop, that action reveals small controls next to the bubble. If you don't see them at first, move the pointer slightly around the message area. You're looking for a tiny toolbar to appear, which includes an icon with 3 dots. Click the 3 dots, often labeled as the More or Options menu, and choose Remove. This opens the removal options for just that one message. You're not affecting the entire conversation, only the single item you selected. From here, select either Unsend or Remove for you. Unsend retracts a message you sent, removing it from the conversation for everyone. Use this when you sent something by mistake or shared information you no longer want visible to anyone in the chat. Keep in mind that Unsend is only available for messages you wrote. You can't unsend messages sent by other people. In many chats, others may still see that a message was unsent, but the content itself will no longer be accessible. Remove for you hides the message only on your side. This is a great choice if the message is cluttering your view, or if someone else sent it and you don't want to see it anymore. The message remains visible to other participants, and the conversation flow stays unchanged for them. A quick tip on accuracy. Before you choose, double-check which message bubble is highlighted so you don't remove the wrong one. You can always repeat the process for any other messages you want to clean up. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation, hover over the message, click the 3 dots, and choose Remove. Then pick Unsend if you sent it and want it gone for everyone, or Remove for you if you only want it off your screen. With these options, you stay in control of what appears in your Messenger threads on your computer.